Yeah, tell me. The copper 17 or 18? 17, huh?
17.
Okay, question number 17. Right. A copper wire has a diameter 0.17,
So 17.
Sorry. A wire of given material having length L and area of cross section A has a resistance of 4 ohms. What would be the resistance of another wire of the same material having the length L by 2 and area of cross section 2A? A wire of given material. So the material is same, length L. So L1 is L. And area of cross section, because they deal with the two types of lengths. Area 1 is equal to A, has a resistance of 4 ohms. So its resistance is 4 ohms. Now, what would be the resistance of another wire? So let us call it R1. Another wire. So let us call it L2. Its length is half of the length of original length. So L by 2. L2 is equal to L by 2. And then what about its area? It is twice the area. So A2 is equal to twice the area. Okay? And then what is asked here? What would be the resistance? R2 is asked. That's all. Okay? Now listen. So we have here the equation is R is proportional to L by A. Is it not? We know this equation. And R1 is equal to, R1 is proportional to L1 by A1. R2 is proportional to L2 by A2. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. Let us divide these two equations. So 2 divided by 1. Therefore R2 by R1 is equal to L2 by A2 divided by L1 by A1. Do you understand? Now L2 by A2 and you can reciprocate. So A1 divided by L1. This is equal to R2 divided by R1. So we can straight away make use of this equation. Is it not? So R2 from this equation. So let us call this equation as 3. So from equation 3, R2 is equal to R1 into L2 by A2 into A1 by L1. Got it? Therefore, what is R1? 4. What is L2? L by 2. What is A2? 2A. What is A1? A. What is L1? Simply L. Is it not? So, now this is 2 times. So 2 into, and you have now L by 2. And you have already A here. Into, A can be cancelled. And L is also cancelled, 1 by L. A can be cancelled, L can be cancelled. Okay? And 2 is also cancelled. So the result is 1 ohm. That's all. So R2 will be 1 ohm. Okay? Right?